हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हमें क्वेश्चन गिवन है डिलीट नोड इन अ लिंक लिस्ट. ओके, सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट द प्रॉब्लम दैट वी हैव टू डिलीट वन नोड इन अ लिंक लिस्ट. Okay, so linked list will be given like this 4 5 1 9, and suppose a given node is 5, so we need to delete this 5. So what we need to return is 4 1 9. Okay, so let us see how we can solve this problem. So this I think anyone can do, means if you are a beginner then you might face some difficulty, but otherwise anyone can do this problem because it's a basic problem. 4 5 1 9. Okay, suppose this is given to us as head and this is given as node. So what we will do, we will first reach to this node, and then what we will do, we are going to use two pointers. Okay, fast and slow. Let's say this is slow pointer and this is fast pointer. Okay, once we reach the fast pointer, what we will do, we will say slow dot next is equal to fast dot next. It means what we are going to do, we are going to break this connection and we are going to make this connection like this. So ultimately what is going to happen, 4 is going to connected with 1, it is going to connected with the 9. Okay, this is the main logic that we can do. But here is the twist. What is the twist? One twist is this, that they are not going to give, you will be not given access to the first node head. Okay, it means from where you are going to start, it is not told to us, means head will not be given to us. Okay, what they are going to give is, they will give a linked list. In that the linked list, what they will be giving, they will be giving directly a node. Okay, they will give this node 519. Okay, so it's our duty now to delete that thing. It means something is given like this. Okay, let's say 4 2 1 7 9 and 11 like this, and suppose this is given to us node and they are saying delete this. Okay, I hope you have got the problem. Okay, this time they haven't given the head element. Okay, what they have given, they have directly given the node that must be deleted. Okay, you can see here they will just give the node. Now we have to solve the problem. Okay, so suppose if again I am telling you the approach, if head is given to us, so what we will be doing, we will reach this front and back position and then we will make the connection. Now the twist is, we are having only node, so how we are going to solve this problem? Okay, I told that deleting node means what we have to do, in the main linked list this element should not be present. Okay, the value of the given node should not exist in the linked list. Okay, the total numbers of the nodes should be decreased by 1. Okay, and the condition is that every value before the node should be same and every value after the node should be same. It means output should be like this: 8 4 2 7 9 and 11. They want output like this. They don't want any change in previous and any change afterward. They just want to delete this element. So how we are going to do this? So I thought, let us take one more pointer p, and what p will do is, p will be equals to node dot next. Okay, it means p will point here. Node is already here. Now what I am going to do, instead of deleting this element, what I will do, I will delete this element. Why I will delete this element? Because they told we should reduce one element. Okay, and that element and this element should be reduced. So what I am going to do is, I am going to do like this: node dot value is equal to p dot value. So what is going to happen, this value is going to be updated by 7. Correct? Now p is here. Now what I am going to do, instead of this connection, what I will do, I will make connection like this. So I will do like this: node dot value is equal to p dot next. Done. This problem is solved. So basically what we have done, first of all we have made one pointer which is just next to the given node. Then what we have done, we have copied the value to the previous node. Okay, so they told delete 1. So we have, what we have done, we have copied this value to previous node and we have broken this connection. we have broken the connection. Once the connection is broken, it will be like this. So the answer will be only of 3 steps. Okay, so as you can see here, first step is p is equal to node not next, then node not value is equal to p dot value, and then node dot next is equal to p dot next. And if you are going to submit and run this solution, it is going to work absolutely fine. So I hope the question is clear to you and the approach is clear to you. Okay, it was a very easy problem, but they have marked it as medium because they have not given head. So you have to think this, that one pointer should be node, will be next to the node, and then make the connections and delete the next element. So what people will do is, people will focus on deleting the given node. They will focus how to delete the given node. So instead of deleting the given node, try to delete the next node. So it will be easier. I hope the approach is clear. Thank you.